Hi guys, if you're wondering what to serve your guests this Christmas, then consider adding this milky popcorn to your menu. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make milky yummy popcorn. I started off by placing an empty pot on fire. Then I went in to add oil. You can use butter, margarine, or any form of fat you have. I then added in corn. This corn you're seeing here is specifically meant for popcorn. So if you are going out to get your corn, tell those sellers the corn that is meant for popcorn, okay? After that is done, stir the corn very well to disperse in the oil and wait till you see the first pop. Did you see what I'm talking about here? The corn just popped, so I'll cover the pot and reduce the heat to minimum. Okay, so I'll shake the pot at intervals so that the corn below will not get burnt. So that is what you should do. Continue shaking the pot until all the corn is popped. If you're a returning subscriber on this channel, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for making this family grow. Thank you for all you do. And if you're just coming across this channel for the first time and you have watched this video to this point, I also want to thank you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. So after the corn has finished popping, I went in to add a tablespoon of sugar to it. At this point, you can do justice to the sugar because it is your taste bud, not mine. Okay. Please, before adding in the sugar, make sure you have switched off the source of heat. Okay. So after adding the sugar, shake the pot so that everything will incorporate very well. Lastly, add in your milk as you desire and stir it until everything is combined. You see, you just made for yourself and your guests a very lovely, tasty, yummy popcorn. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.